Hello, it's me Max, coming up with the next video. This time we are unboxing another package from TKSneaker. Here's the contact information to TKSneaker. If you want to purchase such high quality sneakers, just take a look at the link down below. You have the contact information there. So as you can see, this is how the package comes to you, wrapped in this foil. And let's get this thing opened. And now let's also cut through this foil real quick. Here we have it, guys. So we have the Air Jordan 1 low OGSP Nikes in a beautiful black color box. So yeah, that's just looking amazing. And of course, here's our box, the Nike box. It looks like this. It's all black, very nice. I like how stylish that is. Like it a lot. You've got a QR information over here. The retail price is 150 USD. Air Jordan 1, US 8.5, European 42. On the back you also have more information. Beaverton, Oregon, Nike.inc. Here we have it, guys, the Travis Scott in a black color low. And yeah, they do come with this bandana, as you can tell. Yeah, it looks very nice. Let's just get this thing opened. Let's see how it all looks like. So here we have our bandana. Basically one-to-one, the same as the retail. Here we have the shoes. Yeah, they look just amazing, bro. Like, they definitely look nice. I like them. Yeah, we will just take a look at this in a second. Again, next shoe, and also two pairs of shoelaces. This one is very nice, very different. And here is also this wrapping foil and the Nike leaflet. So, taking a proper look at the shoes now. This is how they look like. Let's have a look real quick. This is the left pair. So as you can see, we have the Cactus Jack information here on the inner part. The swoosh logo, which is in the right direction. On the back, you also have this B stitching, and here on the left, on the other side of the shoe, you also get the Travis inverted swoosh logo, which is known for Travis products. It all just looks nice. I can definitely tell that they use high quality materials, basically one-to-one, as the retail does. I don't see any defects. Like, just take a look at the stitching. It all looks nice, straight in line and stuff. So yeah, that's definitely working very well. Here is some sort of a rubber material, on the same one as on the retail. And here you also get information about the shoes. And inside you also have the QR code with the code and the size, so that's just great. The shoes do look fine. I have no issues with them whatsoever. The insole looks like this. The Cactus Jack signature, as always, is there visible, and Jordan jumping. Yeah, quality wise, I literally have no problems. Taking a look at the right pair of the shoes. So yeah, we have the swoosh logo, inverted swoosh logo as well on the other side of the shoe. And here in the back you also have the Air Jordan stitching, which just looks amazing. On the inner part you also have the swoosh logo, this time in the right direction, and the top of the shoe looks like this. Now let's also see if the top also bounces back. Yes, it does bounce back pretty much immediately, so that's just great. Again, you also have the QR code and all the information is here. So it's time to wear the shoes now. Let's see how they fit. Yeah, quick glance on the sole. It's in a midnight color, looks very nice. Yeah, let's wear them now. So yeah, let's take a look at the shoes. This is how they all look like when I'm wearing them. Yeah, they're very comfy. The fur inside is like very comfortable to wear. It all looks just nice. Yeah, let me know in the comment section whether you like the shoes or not. Looks like this. Definitely very stylish. And also let's take a look at the stitching. So this is how it all looks like. It's all consistent and nice. No problems with the stitching on the inner part of the shoe. So here we have it, folks, the Travis Scott Low in the black phantom color. 42 rupiah for a price of 130, I guess they're selling for. Very nice price, very cheap as for such a quality. They're basically like retail, so I don't really see much of differences and stuff. So in my opinion, they're pretty worth it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. I will answer you and see you in the next video. Bye.